few things to catch up on. Matt's back this week. He's finished the finishing touches on the windows, so all the plastics are finished off, all siliconed in. He's done most of them, apart from some on the ground level. He's going to do them after the patio, so when all the dust is gone, he's going to finish them off nice and tidy. The floor tiler has been in. We'll show you the tiles in a minute. Really happy with how they're looking. They're looking good, and he's going to be finished tomorrow, which is good. Chippies are back today, hanging doors today. Plasterers are over in the garage, getting the upstairs all skimmed out. That's looking really nice. So Steve and Andy were here last week, and they managed to get the rendering done. Actually, that wall was already done, wasn't it? So they've done this wall and that wall last week, and just finished off like the little fiddly bits around the bottom, the plinth and things like that. They managed to get that all rendered in. Said Matt was back, didn't I? He's done the guttering and fascias on there. There's a few other places he's kind of tweaked and finished off. Lots of little small bits have been getting done, which is good, but no big juicy stuff. But next week, a couple of builders gonna do the patio for me, so they're gonna start around the back and hopefully get all this slabbed in the next couple of weeks. So it's all gonna come together quite quick in a minute. So today I am pulling the trench down through the back of the garage. This pipe here is a soakaway, so at the minute it's picking up the water from behind the wall. Behind the garden wall there's a soakaway come through there. It's got a land drain across like the middle of the patio area, so that's all coming into here, and all the outlets for the gutters and things like that. So all of that water is coming into this pipe, so I'm just going to extend that through down the back of the garage. There's 2 gutter outlets on the back of the garage for the roof, so they're going to come down into the same pipe. It's all going to go out and connect into the pipe that is going out to the soakaway at the bottom of the field. So that's me today, trying to get a trench down through there. I haven't been able to do it for a while because we've had a scaffold around the garage, getting the cladding finished, and then I kind of wanted to wait until the plasterers had rendered the back wall here, so they did that last week, which means I can get this trench through. Once that's done, I can get tree surgeons in, because we're taking this tree out hopefully, and 2 other trees down through there are going. We're going to put a new bit of fence up behind the garage. And once that's done, we can then put a base in, because we've got to have a big water storage tank which is going behind the garage. So all the water gets pumped out of the well into that tank, cleaned into the house. So it all kind of links in together. It's just trying to get it all to happen. So now it's happening. It's good. Tiles are down. I'm not going in because I've got muddy boots, and they are tied in. So they're just in the kitchen area at the minute. So they've laid them, but they're all a bit grubby where they've been laying them and walking on them and stuff. So they're cleaning that all down. And then they've got to seal the tiles just with a sealer basically. It stops any stains or anything being absorbed into the tile. So they seal that. And then tomorrow, they're hoping to grout and get the whole lot grouted, hopefully finished tomorrow. Yeah, so the other thing is the 2 upstairs bathrooms are pretty much finished. Jay's just got to come back and fit the toilets, literally, or just a panel on the toilet. Can't remember, I only went up there this morning, I can't remember. But he's nearly there. And also Jace has been back. He has put all the lights in. He's left them dangling while we paint the ceilings and things. He's got all the sockets and switches on upstairs. So I think next week we're all good for Tony, the decorator, to come back. He can pretty much paint and finish upstairs. Now there's nothing else holding him up. And then he's going to make a start downstairs as well. So we're getting closer. It's good. That's where we're at the minute.